Hey everybody, welcome back to another day of 31 Days of Halloween here on my channel. Today we are going to try something new, and I'm going to start by brushing my brow hairs up, and then I'm going to take a washable Elmer's glue stick and we're going to try to cover my eyebrows up. I don't have a lot of brow naturally anyways, but this is way harder than RuPaul's Drag Race makes it look. I'm just letting you know. I'm basically just applying layers of glue over my brow hairs, letting them dry completely in between. And then I do end up going in with an orange eyeshadow to try to color correct them a little bit. And that didn't work out. I don't think I put enough layers of glue on is really what happened. But you're just going to cover your eyebrows up as best as you can. Once you have your eyebrows covered up as best as you can, after I color corrected, I just put concealer and a lot of powder over them. I'm going to go in with a foundation. This is just from Wet n Wild, and you're going to put on a pretty heavy layer. I ended up doing 2 thinner layers. You just want really porcelain perfected skin, basically. After my foundation, I am going to go ahead and put concealer under my eyes and on any other imperfections and powder my face. Now I'm moving on to a contour shade. This is from Maybelline, and I'm just going in with a softer brush, and I'm just going to contour my cheeks and my temples out and a little bit under my lip and on my nose. Flappers were really well known for having very matte, porcelain, pale skin, thin eyebrows, and very chiseled cheekbones, so we're just going for that. They were also very well known for very rosy cheeks, so I'm going in with a very bright blush from Wet n Wild. This is hella pigmented, and I'm just going to start packing this on the apples of my cheek and dragging it back toward my hairline. So now we're going to move on to finishing out our eyebrows. I'm just taking a black eyeliner. You can use an eyebrow pencil, but I wanted to do black eyebrows. I don't know why. I'm just pretty much following the top of my natural eyebrow and creating very thin, not very arched eyebrows. They really liked plucking their eyebrows, and I don't want to sacrifice mine by shaving them off. So I'm just going to draw in my little thin eyebrows, and then I'm going to go in with a black eyeshadow and matte them out and kind of fluff them just a little bit. You really want some thin eyebrows for this look. The actual eye look for this look is very simple as well. I'm just going in with a matte black eyeshadow, and I actually forgot and did my face makeup first, so I'm just going to take some loose powder and pack it underneath my eye and kind of let my eye bake a little bit, but also all of that loose powder will catch any fallout that might happen, and then I can just brush it away. So make sure you cover your under eyes with some powder or do your eye makeup first. But I'm just going to go in with a matte black eyeshadow, and I'm going to really pack it on in a rounded out shape. Just really, really pack it on. You want your eyes to be very, very dark for this. After you have your eyes blacked out, I'm just going to go in with a matte dark chocolate brown and a fluffier brush, and I'm just going to blend out my crease ever so slightly. This is just going to create a super dark, super smoky eye, which is what flappers were very well known for. That's pretty much it for this eyeshadow look. Flappers kept it pretty basic with a dark smoky eye, so I'm just going to brush away that excess powder, and now I'm going to go in with the same eyeliner from our eyebrows and just tightline my eyes very, very quickly. Then we're going to go in with a flat eyeliner brush and that matte black eyeshadow and just smoke out our lower lash line. Not a ton, keeping it pretty tight under there, but just add a little bit of shadow to blend it out. I have no idea what happened to the clip of me putting on mascara, but I didn't put on any falsies for this look. I just put on a coat of mascara pretty heavily, and now we're going to move on to our lips. You could honestly do a bright red lip, but I like darker red, so I'm taking a very small detailing brush and a liquid lipstick from Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to line my lips, not overline them. Flappers pretty much had very thin lips, so I'm just going to line my lips and then fill them in with this dark red. If you were going to be wearing this costume out for your hair, if you had short hair like I do, you could do finger waves and get a headpiece. But from where I'm doing 31 different Halloween looks, it's kind of difficult to get all your ducks in a row. So I'm just going to smooth my hair back into a ponytail, and I found this wig at Walmart that I can use in a lot of my videos, and it's just a short blonde blunt bob wig with bangs. So I'm going to put it on and try to flatten it out a little bit. I was trying to straighten it on low heat and I kind of melted a piece of it. No matter. I'm going to get that going and put on a feather boa I found at the Dollar Tree. Floof my hair one more time, and that is it for this look. Here it is in a little bit more of a toned down color, and I really like how this look came out. I hope you guys do too, and I will see you guys all tomorrow.